Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to place text behind a person in a video using Canva. Super easy, no Premiere Pro, no After Effects. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe. First, you can just upload your video and place it on a timeline, and you can also resize it if needed to fill the scene. Now you can duplicate your video, so right click on the timeline and tap on duplicate and put this copy on top of each other like this. Now you can just select the top copy and click on background remover. So now once the background is removed, so this cutout is what will allow the text to go behind the subject like magics. Now you can just add your text. So add text in here. For example, I'm going to just go with heading. Now you can just write the text that you want. For example, I'm going to go with this. And here you need to add a bold font. You can use Anton, League Spartan, or Montserrat Extra Bold. Here I'm going to place it on top like this in center. And I'm going to change the font to League Spartan. Now you can change the color, add effects if needed. I'm going to go with neon. Let's try. Okay. Now you can set the text between two layers. So the text will be above the bottom video and text will be below the cutout layer. So adjust the duration first on the timeline like this, and then you can drag it like this. So the text will be in between the video. So just like that, as you guys can see, the text will now behind the and if your subject moves like this movement. So now we can just click on share and export your video as MP4 in 1080p or HD. You can just tap on download and you're done. Simple, clean, and super viral looking. That's how you put text behind a person in Canva. No complicated software. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also click on the bell. See you in the next video.